Agedashi chicken is chicken tender pieces that are lightly coated with starch, deep fried, and served in mildly flavored dashi soup. This is an arranged dish of Agedashi Tofu, and chicken version is just as great. Full recipe is on JapaneseCooking101.com. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. We are using tenderloin, but you can also use other parts of chicken such as breast or thighs. Transfer them to a bowl and sprinkle with salt and sake and leave for a few minutes. Meanwhile, we prepare the toppings. Peel and finely grate the daikon radish and thinly slice the green onion, then set both aside. Next, we prepare the soup. Combine dashi broth, soy sauce, sake, mirin, and salt, and bring to a boil for a couple of minutes and keep it warm. We are going to coat the chicken with potato starch called katakuriko. You can also use cornstarch. Coat them lightly on all sides and heat the frying oil over medium heat and gently drop the chicken. Deep fry the chicken until fully cooked and remove from the oil. While they are still hot, bring the soup to a boil and place all the chicken pieces in the soup and cook for a minute and serve immediately. Top with grated daikon radish and sliced green onion. Agedashi chicken makes a great dinner dish served with steamed rice, but it's also a delightful appetizer paired well with sake, beer, and cocktails. Hope you try it.
美味しい。美味しいね。